What's going on, nation? ukvapeuk here and welcome. Today I bring you another product from SMPO. This is just a tank. Obviously the mod is just a Nelkin Gozi. It is a 510 disposable tank, so it's like a sub-ohm tank that is going to be completely sealed. Okay, you're not going to be able, to open it or even adjust the airflow. It's just a tank that has a 510 connection that you can attach any board, and you got to be able to vape it, and when you finish you throw everything away. Now it's not really a point to do a dive down because it's not a lot to show up. You can't remove the drip tip, you can't open up, and you can't adjust the airflow. But this one is going to have a 10 mLs e-liquid on the inside. It's going to be a 1% nic salt, and it's going to be targeted. It's the first time I say this, to a restricted direct lung with nic salts, and they actually work. I was a little bit scared because my nic salts, I can't really do them because I get really affected by them, but doing a restricted direct lung at 1% is actually pretty damn good. Now they recommend around 16 watts. Obviously you shouldn't go above that, but anything below that, I'm vaping at 12 watts, and to me it is very, very comfortable. It has a 0.8 coil on the inside, and I think they're gonna offer 8 different flavors. This one is the pink lemonade. It's just absolutely beast, and they're gonna come in packs of 2 like this. Not 100% sure how much they're gonna cost, or if they're gonna be already available here in the UK, but I'm pretty sure if you do a quick Google search, you're gonna be able to find them. I think on the website they go for $12. If it's $12 for both of them, is a pretty damn good price, because for 10 mLs of e-liquid, you're gonna be able to vape quite a long time. So yeah, pink lemonade, it is reading 0.85, so actually spot on. 12 watts, let's have a vape. It's a very nice restricted direct lung. The throw heat is not really harsh, it's just perfect. You're gonna have plenty of flavor. I think I'm gonna go, let's go the 16 watts they say you could do. Now obviously you could feel a little bit more the throw hit on this one. I like to vape at around 12 to 13 watts. I think it's just perfect for me. Now in terms of pros and cons, there's not many cons. It's just I wish the airflow could be adjustable. They could have done that. You have maybe a MTL, a more open MTL and a restricted direct lung. That will be perfect. They could have done it on the bottom. But even though it is like this, it's just perfect. You're going to have plenty of information. Actually on the tank it says 1% nic salts, 0.8 ohm coil, and they recommend the 16 watts. Listen, with 8 flavors and packs of 2, if they're going to cost us $13, that's what, about £10 or £5 for each tank. That's going to be a steal. And you're going to be able to use in any 510, you can carry this. You're not going to have any leaking or anything like that. You can carry, and if you have something wrong going with your tank, your sub-ohm tank, your RTA or your RDA, you always can connect your disposable and have it on hand. Very, very good idea. I do like it. Performs great. Another great product from SMPO. So if you wish to have exclusive access to content and giveaways and all that good stuff, personal help from me, join my Patreon. The link is going to be down below. We're going to wrap it up. Thanks for everything. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I wish you all the best, and I hope to see you next time. Till then, keep vaping.